Numbers 1, 2, and 3. Good. AC would be 30, TU would be 13, and SU would be 5.3. Good? Okay. So, if we got a good idea of that, we're going to look at, you got some time for algebra. This is what we expect to see. All right? Not that you need to write this down, but here's the idea. The mid-segment equals 1/2. We'll call it the opposite side. Okay? The mid-segment is 1/2 of the opposite side. All right? The length of the mid-segment is given by the expression 3x. The 1/2 stays, and then 5x plus 7. That is what I would expect to see setting up your equation. Okay? From there, it's just your algebraic work. Now you have choices. Number one, if you don't mind decimals, you can distribute the 1/2 through. And then that would become 2.5x plus 3.5. If you don't want fractions, you can multiply both sides by 2. Because what will the 2 and the 1/2 do to each other? Cancel out. 2 times 3x is 6x. 5x plus 7. Subtract 5x from both sides, and you end up with x equals 7. If you're then asked to find lengths, you take that 7 and plug it back in. 3 times 7 is how much? 21. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 plus 7 is 42. Is the mid-segment half of the segment? Absolutely. Verifies that we did it correct. Everybody good? All right. So there you go. Give those two a whirl. Nice short lesson for the day. You're welcome. So that's the 200 pounds. All right. So in the first one, 2x plus 5 equals 1/2, 3x plus 15. Everybody good with that? That's an example of what it looks like when you distribute the 1/2 through. So if we end up with 2x plus 5 equals 1.5x plus 7.5. Subtract 1.5x from both sides, we get 0.5x. Subtract 5 from both sides, we get 2.5. 0.5x equals 2.5. Divide by the 0.5, and x equals 5. Everybody good with that one? All right, the one on the right, 10x equals 1/2, 15x plus 6.5. All right, in that one, because of the 6.5, I would probably multiply both sides by 2. Give me 20x equals 5x, 15x plus 6.5. Subtract the 15x, 5x equals 6.5, and x equals 1.3. All right, plug it back in, you get 13 and 26, which works. Everybody good? Okay. Well, the assignment in front of you is due tomorrow at midnight. Okay? In the first 6, name the triangle sides that are parallel to the given side. All you're looking for is if they give you a side like AB. If they give you a side like AB, then the parallel side would be the mid-segment. If they give you the mid-segment instead, for example, XY in number 6, all right, then the parallel side would be the side opposite it. All right, points MN and P are the midpoints of the sides of QRS. All right, basically it says QR is 30, RS is 30, and then SQ is 18. So now you're just going to use that information to find different segment lengths. All right, with 15 through 19, they are algebraic, but like 15, 16, all you're doing, it's not really algebraic. 17 and 18, if you want to do the algebra, that's fine. Same thing with 19, because they're monomials. If you can do that in your head, that's fine. 20 through 23 are the only ones you got to show your equation on. All right, so 20 through 23, just make sure you show your equation. All right. 24 through 27, they're just giving you different pieces of information. 28 through 30 is just a real world application, all right, of being able to find the distance across the lake. Same idea with 31 and 32. All right, everybody good? Okay, tomorrow, 5.2, you will do at home. We will teach it in here. Hopefully later today, the quiz review's up. Wednesday, we'll take any questions from that if you have them. And then we will finish up 5.2 if we don't finish it up tomorrow. All right, but there will be a virtual lesson on 5.2. The video will be up. Or not 5.2. Inequalities triangle later on in the chapter. Like 5.5 or 5.6. That'll be the next lesson. All right, everybody good? All right, you got about 15 minutes if you want to get started on the 5.1 assignment.